Hello and welcome. Now that you have established that you have business notebooks and those business notebooks will be available to certain individuals on the team on a certain project, what you are going to do is you're going to start collecting information, and you're going to collect that information through notes in the specific notebook pertaining to that project. So, for example, what you will do is you will go to the business notebook setting. You will find the project, and then you will click to add a note. And you'll find that at this plus button here. And you'll notice that note will be inside of the Low Carb Market Ideas project, which is a shared notebook. So we're going to give that note a title. And what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to write content, you're going to be able to share links, you're going to be able to share images and any other notes that you have, and it's all going to be inside of the project file. You'll notice that each time that you want to create content, you'll get a WYSIWYG editor for that particular note. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put some content in here. We're going to include some hyperlinks. And then our note is ready to be complete. And so the other individual inside of our group will actually see the very same information inside of their screen. And so what you'll want to do is you'll want to encourage that every time that there is a new, that it comes with at minimum a title. So for example, you want the individual to actually write in their content and to make sure that it is written in to describe what the content is. And then we're going to click Done. Now what we'll want to see is that this information is available to the other team members. And indeed, when we refresh our page and we go back to the notebook, we'll see the newer content. Now one way to make it easy to collect content and to place it inside of a note, especially when someone is in the web, you can actually use Evernote's WebClipper. And WebClipper is actually an app that you can find by going to the address evernote.com/products and WebClipper. And when you grab the WebClip, you will then add it to your browser. And then as you see information that you want to add on the web, what you'll do is you'll click this elephant. Then we can decide what we want to clip. We can actually add tags. And then we can always determine that we want this to be in a certain notebook whenever we find ideas. And we can set our default so that it always goes to the same project or notebook. Once we've done that and we click Save, then the process of collecting this web page and placing it inside of our notebook is occurring. Now this note actually went to our personal notebook, so what we're going to do is we're just going to switch this to our shared notebook so that it now becomes part of our running conversation with our team. And that means that other individuals can see it across all of their devices. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.